Homemade lemon coffee cake recipe, perfectly moist and zesty. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby, where we bring you delicious recipes to satisfy your cravings. Today, we have a special treat for you, a homemade lemon coffee cake that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or just as a delightful dessert with your coffee. This cake is moist, zesty, and incredibly easy to make. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 lemon, zest and juice, 1/2 cup sour cream. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 1 lemon, zest. For the glaze: 1 cup powdered sugar, 2-3 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the cake batter first. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees C, and grease a 9 by 9 inch square baking pan. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set this dry mixture aside. Step 2. Cream the butter and sugar in a separate mixing bowl. Cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until it becomes light and fluffy. This will take about 2-3 minutes. Step 3. Add eggs and flavor now. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, stir in the vanilla extract, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Step 4. Combine dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with sour cream. Begin and end with the dry mixture. Mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Step 5. Streusel topping in a small bowl. Combine the flour, granulated sugar, cold cubed butter, and lemon zest. Use a pastry cutter or your fingers to blend them until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Step 6. Assemble the cake. Pour half of the cake batter into your prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Then, sprinkle half of the streusel topping over the batter. Repeat with the remaining batter and streusel. Step 7. Bake. Pop your cake into the preheated oven and bake for 40-45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 8. Prepare the glaze. While the cake is baking, prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together powdered sugar and fresh lemon juice until you achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. Step 9. Glaze the cake. Once the cake is out of the oven and has cooled for about 10-15 minutes, drizzle the lemon glaze over the top. Step 10. Serve and enjoy. And there you have it, a perfectly moist and zesty homemade lemon coffee cake. It's time to dig in, and trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. If you enjoyed this lemon coffee cake recipe, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Miss Coffee Baby for more mouthwatering recipes. Also, leave your comments below and let us know how yours turned out. Until next time, happy baking. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.